Hello South Africa. N4 toll road closed due to massive truck accident, driver killed. The N4 toll road between Nkomazi toll plaza and Malelane is closed on Monday due to a massive head-on collision between two trucks. Motorists were advised to avoid the area and to use alternative routes. According to the Mpumalanga Department of Community Safety Security and spokesperson Motorists, both trucks are on fire. It is not yet clear if anyone has been injured or what the trucks were carrying at the time of the accident. Emergimet spokesperson Kyle Van Reenen said paramedics responded to the scene of a serious motor vehicle collision on the N4 National Highway between Malelane and Nkomazi Port. On arrival on the scene, paramedics were met with absolute mayhem as two coal trucks were to have collided head-on, at high speed. As a result of the impact, one of the trucks caught fire, engulfing the occupant, a male driver believed to be approximately 40 years of age. Unfortunately, he was burnt beyond recognition and declared dead on arrival of paramedics, said Kyle Van Reenen. Van Reenen said the driver of the second truck was treated for minor injuries only. Please subscribe for more news updates. This is Leah for the South African.